Yummy? Oh. Ooh. Okay? Okay now? You gotta chew your banana, sweetie. Chew it. Chew. Yeah, this is part of your new life skill. If you want to take a bite on your own, you have to learn how to chew it instead of just swallowing. Take a small bite. Small bite. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. I know you want to grow up and do all other things like an adult person, but you have to learn that you don't have teeth yet. You gotta have teeth in order to chew and swallow. Yep. Yeah. Small bites. No, not big bites. A big bite. You took a big bite before and then you choke on it. See? You're lucky it's a banana. Come out easy. Yeah. Yeah, it's mushy. You have to be careful. Hey, oh, hiya. Good morning, Grandma.